Maggie from Tonyful sent over this 4-piece grow light kit. We're gonna open this thing up and see what we got. You get 4 slim LED light bars. Look at those. Very nice. There's some power cables, some zip ties, and some mounting strips. Zip ties, mounting strips, and a power box here. Alright. Plugs in. Power box here. Everything you need is right here. There's no tools necessary. So this guy has 4 spots there, and this one has 1. So 1 coming in to the controller, which splits off to all 4. Alright, I got that. And power unit itself comes in. These 2 mate together. Alright, I get that. Seems like it's pretty standard. Each one of these plugs into this guy here. Yep, right like that. Okay. Well, let's go over to our shelf, set this thing up. In the back here. There's one. This one's next. This one's next. And the last one here. These 2 marry together. Now I just plug them in. And hit the button. Ooh, look at that. Alright, now let's see if we can turn it down to dimmer. Oh yeah, look at that. You can get it dimmed down or bright. Has a timer on here. You can set it for a 4-hour timer, 8-hour timer, 12-hour timer, or no timer at all, just leave it on the whole time. Alright, let's find some plants to put on here. I do a lot of cuttings. This is lavender that I did this spring. So these lights are gonna make really, really great addition to my shelving area, where I can get these things to be not so leggy. Get a lot of bright light up in there. I hope that helps you with your buying purchase. You guys have a great day.